Hey guys, and so today I am so excited about bringing to you guys the July box for cloth and paper. So I received this in the mail today and I'm excited to show you guys what we received in this box. So when you first open it up, this is what it looks like inside. So I did open it up and take it out of the packaging, but I didn't open anything yet. So when you first open it, you see a little postcard and it says what's inside. So we have the August and September vertical weeklies, new password tracker, the grid pad, the cover dashboards, the ink smear dashboard, conversion dashboard, mink dot stickers, and then mink dot grid sticky notes, the Ollie block magnetic clip, and then the journaling cards. So I believe this month there's 4 different journaling cards, which are super cute. So this is very cute. So I guess the first thing we can look at is this Ollie clip. So I don't actually own any Ollie. Are they called Ollie clips? Yeah, I don't actually own any Ollie clips. So from my understanding, it's like a magnetic clip. And you can use it like as a place marker in your planner, or like really anywhere. So I'm excited about trying this out, to either use it as like a placeholder or as a bookmark or that type of stuff. So I'm excited to try that out. Next thing that I will look at, this is a conversions dashboard, which can be helpful. You got the liquid, the temperature, distance, and a weight. So that's really cute. Next thing is this ink smear dashboard. So I've seen, like I've watched a couple of unboxings so far for this month's box, and I did notice that some people had like this blue film. I'm not sure why this one doesn't have it. Maybe it's just like different sizes have different films, or something like that, so I'm not exactly sure, but this is cute as well. Next thing in here are the password trackers. So you got the website, the username, the password, and you get like a pretty decent amount. Like this is just like the back of it, but yeah, you get like a really decent amount, so that's really good. See what else pick out from here. So I believe, what is this? Yeah, this one is the August 2021 style. So I believe you get like the weeklies and the monthlies in this date. So I'm really glad that they decided to include 2 months worth of inserts in this box. So this is the August one. Let me see if I can, yeah, so this is like what it normally looks like. This is the front page of it. So you got your to-do list, which is like a good amount, and then a bills due section, important dates, and then a goals section, and then basically the inside of it looks exactly like this, except there's one for like every day, obviously. So that's really cute. So yeah, August 2021 style, but it's for September and August of 2020. So that's very cute. The next thing that I'll pull out from here, so there is a September dashboard, and it says, I am lucky that whatever fear I have inside me, my desire to win is always stronger. So that's really inspirational. This is for September. And then for August, it says, you don't make progress by standing on the sidelines, whimpering and complaining. You make progress by implementing ideas. So that's so inspirational as well. And I love that. So like this on top of that, that's so cute. I love it. I love it. And then let's see what else I'm gonna pull out from here. So then these are the Mink transparent, are they called date dots? No, I don't think they're called. I think they're just called like, what are they called again? These are, oh yeah, they're called, well, not date dots, they're called Mink dot stickers. Transparent dots, yeah. So that's really nice that they decided to include transparent dot stickers in this, because I feel like the ones in the past were not transparent. I could be mistaken. I mean, I've only been subscribed for a couple of months, and I'm pretty sure the last 2 months were not transparent. So it's nice that they decided to include transparent ones as well. And this is like a beautiful nudish type color, and there's 2 sheets of this in here. And you could literally just use this for, where is this? Yeah, for like the goal sections, like for the insert, and just check off your goals as you accomplish them. So I love that. That's so cute. So cute. And then it comes with also the matching Mink dot grid sticky notes, 3 by 3 inches, and you get like a pretty decent amount in here. So I love the aesthetic and just the packaging of the sticky notes. So yeah, so this is really pretty as well. I love this. And obviously it matches really well with the Mink dots. And then the rest of the items in here are the little journaling cards and then the grid pad. So the first journaling card that I see in here, I guess it's like their version of like the black cloth and paper credit card. So this is very cute. Love that. And then we got, what is this? Yeah, so this is the August month. So that's very cute and definitely comes in handy. And then this one is the September month. Also comes in handy, and the quality is just like really good. And this is, I guess it's another journaling card. I'm not exactly sure how I would use this, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, it's cute and definitely matches like this dashboard, but I'm just not exactly sure like how I would use this. So yeah. And then the last item in here is this, what is this technically called? I don't want to get the names wrong, that's why I keep referring to, oh, okay, so it's the Architect Grid Pad. So it says, use this detailed functional grid pad to plan out all your big ideas, perfect for testing out bullet journaling designs and sketching layouts. 50 sheets. So yeah, so this is an awesome deal in itself. So you got like grid pad on one side and then a project and then like a note section. And again, this is 50 sheets. So definitely an amazing value cloth and paper. And then this is just like the tissue wrapping that it comes in. So yeah, so just to recap what we got for this month, we got the grid pad, we got what is this called again? The ink smear dashboard. We got the August and the September dashboards. We got the monthly and weekly inserts for September and for August, and also inserts for the password tracker, a conversions dashboard, the Mink dot grid sticky notes, the Mink dot stickers, and this journaling card, and the ink smear journaling card, and one for September, one for August, and then the Ollie clip, and of course the little postcard that it comes with. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. This box is $38 and that includes shipping. This is the personal size, and so yeah, so like the items that come personal to your selected size would be like the dashboards and the inserts, and then obviously like any of the other accessories like the you know, like the grid pad, and obviously like the stickers and the journaling cards, they obviously don't come according to like your planner size, but everything else does. So I definitely think this box is extremely worth it, and from my understanding, they do list all of the individual things on the website after they post, like after they like ship out all the boxes. So if there is something in here that you're interested in getting and you haven't subscribed, you can definitely look out for that and just pick it up from the website. But again, like if you add up everything that's listed in this box, it's definitely going to be more than $38, which includes shipping. So it's definitely a great deal. So yeah, so I am going to still be subscribed, at least for next month, just because I've been enjoying these boxes and I think it's, you know, a great deal, like, and I've just really been into like the minimal and functional planning because that's kind of been my vibe. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.